Welcome back to the Metro Screenworks channel. Do you wish that you could open your windows, but you also suffer from allergies? With Allergy Guard window screens, you can enjoy fresh air without suffering from itchy eyes and a runny nose. Stay right here to learn a little bit more. Allergy Guard screens are engineered to filter particles as small as 300 nanometers, such as pollen, ash, hair, airborne, and agricultural dust, and even bacteria. Standard screens can only filter large particles measuring 2 million nanometers. Though these screens can filter the smallest particles, this doesn't negatively affect their ability to allow air to circulate efficiently. With air filtration screens, you can easily clear stale air and indoor air pollution. What's more, Allergy Guard is constructed with 3 layers of screening material, making it extremely durable and long-lasting investment in your home and health. This filtration screen doesn't just purify the air, it can also prevent water damage as it blocks 95% of rain and water. Allergy Guard can also increase your home's energy efficiency as it can block 90% of UV light and 50% infrared light. However, these screens still provide excellent visibility in the process. If you're ready to live allergy and pollution-free, shop Allergy Guard at Metro Screenworks. We offer complete screens as well as screen rolls so you can have screens that work for your home or office.